The universe is weird. In fact, it's so weird that it's expanding right now as this moment as you watch this video. Wait, hold on. Yeah, it's still expanding. And it's been doing that for a while now. Long before we even thought of the universe as a whole. Before the earth was even formed. And in fact, it's been doing that since it was itself formed 13.8 billion years ago. But that's too many in facts. Let's jump into what I mean. Hey guys, my name is Abhay Kumar and this is AY. So in my previous video I talked about how Edwin Hubble discovered other galaxies by observing distant stars. You can check that video out here or in the description. One thing he and many other scientists in the 20th century were trying to observe was the motion of these galaxies. Now most of Hubble's discoveries, in fact most of discoveries made in astrophysics, are possible because of one natural tool, light. More specifically, for Hubble, the light reaching Earth from these galaxies. For understanding this, you first need to know what redshift and blueshift of light are, also known as the Doppler effect. See, when we are observing light coming from a source, what's really happening by the wave nature of light is that the source is emitting waves according to the spectrum of light. Now when the source is moving, the situation differs a bit. If the source is moving towards us, each wave the source emits will be closer and closer to the last one, and the frequency at which we are observing the light increases. This is called the blue shift, as the frequency of light shifts towards the blue region of the light spectrum. Similarly, when the source is moving away from us, the subsequent wave emitted by the source will be further apart from the previous one. And similar to the blue shift, this is called red shift, as the frequency of light shifts towards the red region of the light spectrum. Doppler effect also works for sound waves. In fact, you observe it every time a fast car buzzes past you on the road. When Hubble looked at the galaxy's motion, he expected to find both redshifted and blueshifted galaxies, as he assumed them all to have completely random motion. In fact, he also expected to find equal number of redshifted and blueshifted galaxies. But what he saw was really odd. All the galaxies he observed were redshifted. None of them were blueshifted. That means no galaxy was coming toward us. All of them were moving away from us. Now, how is this possible? He even noticed how much redshifted a galaxy was, depending on how far away from Earth it is. So the further away a galaxy was, the faster it was moving away. The only logical explanation to this seemed to be that the universe itself was not static, but rather expanding. When we talk about an expanding universe, it means that the space itself, like the 3D space where the stars and planets reside in and where we all live in, is expanding. This expansion started with the Big Bang, still continues to, and will keep on continuing to expand until the end fate of the universe arises, which would happen long after the humans go extinct. So you don't really need to cancel your vacation plans for it or something. I don't know. But before Hubble and other astronomers discovered the expanding universe, a Russian physicist and mathematician, Alexander Friedmann, predicted a non-static universe. One that even contradicted Einstein's initial assumption about a static one. Think about it, even Einstein and Newton did not think that the universe could be expanding. It's a strange world, universe we live in. As usual guys, if you like my content, consider subscribing to my channel. Hit the thumbs up button if you like this video. If you don't, there's another button right there. And thanks for watching. Hope to see you in the next video.